the sky meets the season brings, lies tiny paradise, a sea of miniature grace, nestled on an island pure and fair, where magic floats lightly in the air. The baby Catalians call this haven home. Among fabulous flowers they freely roam. With hands so small, yet skill so grand, they tend to their gardens, a lush, vibrant land. Tree branches heavy with fruits so sweet, a feast for the